and it slides open like that, and boom, just like that. All right, guys, I want to show you a couple of things today. I thought I'd start with the exciting one, which was how this thing is going to open. So, if you remember, here's me in the suit. Opacity turned down on me, that's why I'm halfway clear right now. Anyway, if you recall, there's this button that gets pressed down here. So here we are in the suit right here, and there's this button right here, which is a latch, a lever. So if I zoom in here and I grab this, you'll see that pops open like that. And then there'll be another one on the other side, of course. So that latch pops out of this, but then I needed something to push this open and then hold it open. And I need to say that someone suggested, I can't remember who it was, but someone on my YouTube comments suggested that I use gas springs. Guess what? I'm using gas springs. If you don't know what gas springs they're a spring that pushes open, but they do it like with a really controlled manner. They like push hard at the beginning and then they slowly stop pushing so hard. So it'll be this nice smooth open to this thing. So the gas spring is hiding in here. You see there's one right there, and then there's obviously one on the other side because this is completely mirrored on both sides. So if I grab this joint and drive it here, I'm going to show you how it opens. There we go. So it opens like that, and then you'll see the gas spring is riding on this part right here, and that's to keep it away from all the electronics that are going to be in here. So it's riding in there, and then it's attaching up there, and it slides open like that, and boom, just like that. I'll be able to see out of the suit just like that, and then and then you just take it and push it back down, and it'll clasp, and then it'll be closed if I want it closed. I'll need some help with it. One thing I was actually thinking about doing is having some kind of rod or something that is attached into my arm in some way. That way I can pull it out and actually reach my head and like maybe hit those two buttons myself, and then maybe push it back down myself. It's kind of a goofy way to do it, but at least I won't be helpless if there's no one around to open my mask or close it if I need it open or closed. So that's something I'm probably going to do. The other thing I'm probably going to put in this is an emergency screwdriver that I can take myself out of it in case, I don't know, the apocalypse happens while I'm in the suit and I need to get the fuck out of the suit. I might put both those things on here, probably in the arm somewhere. Well, I put those little rods on here. I might like store the screwdriver somewhere on the leg, something like that. And there's going to be a knife on it in case I get in a fight in the thing too. Thinking the knife might extend out of my hand like a little fucking tiny little Wolverine claw. So it'll be like here, and it'll be kind of hidden. I'll press a button, shoot out, be spring loaded and pop out, and I'll have little knives on both hands, fucking punch with. That'd be pretty cool. If you're curious, by the way, here's the gas springs that I'm going to use. They have these little miniature gas springs right here that they work. And I haven't actually run the torsion numbers yet. My suspicion is that I'm going to be needing this one right here, the 20-pound force one. But I'm going to run the numbers to where it takes, like, at the edge of the hood, probably 5 to 6 pounds to pull it back down, somewhere there. 5 to 10 pounds. We don't want it to be super hard to push down. Like, I don't want it 20 pounds at the tip. It may end up needing the highest one. It might end up needing 30 because it's a pretty small moment arm on those, but there's two of them. So I got to keep that in mind too. I'm not sure which one of these I'm going to use, but I'm going to use one of those. And then one other little thing I want to show you guys here is my budget, and mostly you need to be looking at this conditional formatting down here. pretty much we're in the green. I got $50 to go right there, which is awesome. This is just, by the way, this is, if we look down here, this is just to upgrade the millwright and get everything ready to go on that, which is that'll be everything then I need as far as tooling and stuff to machine the suit. Everything will be done with this number right here, which is good. Then I have the supplies for the Mark 1 here. And these numbers aren't run super well. They're kind of just placeholders, honestly. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to need $700 worth of aluminum. It might be closer to 5. That was my original estimate, but I'm like, let's go ahead and just put a bigger number in there just so we're being right. And then I have $100 for hardware, which is just I totally pulled out of my ass. I don't know if it'll be that much. It'll be more or less. The gas springs are kind of pricey. They're $52 each, so $105 for both of them. Totally worth it. I gotta have those gas springs. That shit's awesome. That has to be on there. You guys are great. Things are moving along. Bye.